Today's featured car of the day is a 1963 Ford Galaxie 500 XL R code with the 427, 425 horsepower, 480 foot-pounds of torque, dual quads of Ford's best engine back in the day. And as you can tell, this one's had some day two upgrades done to it. Has the beautiful turquoise interior with a 4-speed, which was mandatory on these cars when you bought them brand new back in the day in 63. Has the new sports roof that they had, 63 and a half, sometimes they call them. This one I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California, where it was there with I think it was the Ford Club of San Diego or one of the car clubs, local car clubs there, just off showing off its stuff. And definitely a good looker, the two-tone with between the white exterior and the turquoise interior. What's not to like about it? Really was a eye catcher, that's for sure. Has the teardrop hood that a lot of them did on day two, which they had on the Thunderbolts. Looks like it's got Holman Moody valve covers, and those look like aluminum heads, but I can't be for sure. Don't remember. I didn't write everything down on it. But it was definitely an eye catcher, that's for sure. And as far as numbers go, they built 3,857 of the 1963 R code Galaxie 427s. In order to get the 427, it cost an extra $570, which on top of the base price of $2,730 was 21% premium. And then you had, if you got that, you had mandatory get the Borg Warner T10 4-speed transmission, and that cost you another $188. So the grand total was $3,488, which in today's money is about $35,000. So I think I'd take one of these instead of a Camry or something that you get for 35 grand these days. But just shows you what you got for your money back in the day. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.